Welcome back to another tutorial where we do a Final Cut Pro trick in under 2 minutes. Today we're going to learn how to do vertical videos in Final Cut. This will be great if you want to edit for Instagram, TikTok, any vertical platform, so let's just go.
First, let's set up your project. So open Final Cut Pro and then click File, New, and select Project. Name your project and then under video format, make sure to choose vertical and set the resolution to 1080 by 1920 for HD vertical videos. This format is perfect for social media platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram, TikTok, and then click OK. Editing vertical videos is similar to the standard process, but with a vertical mindset. So here are 3 quick tips. Since your frame is taller than wider, place your subject centrally or use the rule of thirds vertically. Using the rule of thirds keeps your video engaging and aesthetically pleasing. For transitions and effects, use transitions sparingly. Vertical videos are often viewed on mobile devices, so keep transitions simple to maintain viewer engagement. It's a lot different on vertical. Now, if you're working with horizontal footage, you can still make it work. Just select your clip, then click the transform tool, and then just adjust the scale and position to fill the frame. Once you're happy with your edit, it's time to export, so just go to the upper right hand corner and press export file. For the format, you can select video and audio or Apple devices. I usually just choose Apple devices because it creates a smaller file. Your resolution should match your project settings, 1080 by 1920, and then click next, and then choose your save location and hit save.
I hope that was helpful. If it was, give this video a thumbs up. I have so many videos on Final Cut Pro tricks in under 2 minutes, so I'll list that playlist below. If you like content like this, I make videos every other week, so I will see you guys back here in 2 weeks. Bye.